Aloha folks, Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike. Today we are welcoming our new addition to the family, a 12-year-old HP Velotechnik Scorpion FX 20. This is our guest trike for friends and family who would like to ride with me out here on the north shore of Oahu. I bought the trike 8 months ago from an 80-year-old man who had a couple other trikes in his quiver. Due to the spinal and carpal tunnel surgeries during the winter, I haven't been able to work on restoring the trike while I'm almost fully recovered. It's a bare bones model that weighs around 35 to 40 pounds, unlike that beast of burden over there. I added all new tires, ones with a little more knobs on it for off-roading. Because we have different riders, I installed a quick adjust chain kit that allows us to move the boom in and out for different riders with different height. I also added a heel strap for the toe clip and a mirror. We currently do not have e-assist on this trike, but we're looking at getting a Tongsheng TSD Z2 mid-drive motor or possibly a rear hub motor. Our biggest problem is getting a lithium battery shipped to the Hawaiian Islands. Join us today as guinea pigs, crash dummies, test pilots, is my niece Jenny and her husband Brian. We're heading out to the Turtle Bay Resort to ride the trails and cart paths. As you can see, Brian is up first as we head out on Cam Highway.
Where is my paradise now that you're gone? Where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me. I miss your hula hands that sang and danced for me. Your caress in the night under that palm tree swaying. Ooh, Waikiki, where I first met you. Sands of silver and gold. Take me back to paradise, to my sandy shore, where we surf the rolling waves, sunshine every day. Ooh, Waikiki.
What? That's the dog, that's who we want. Hey, it's me. I'm back. How are you doing?
Where is my paradise now that you're gone? Where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me. Ooh, Waikiki, where I first met you. Sands of silver and gold. cup of tea. And now a stranger's flashed across the midnight screen. So hey, I was wondering.
Well, we made that little passing through the golf course back over there. And now we're at our favorite little start and end point. And now we're taking a little ride on the bike trail that goes out towards what we call Marconi Road and out to North Point, and we'll show Brian and Jenny some of our features there. All right, hang tight. Here we go.
Hey, it's possible there's just too much emotional chemistry. Hey, where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I was so lonely? Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? So hey, I called you late last night just to break you out. We were the only two people at home, and that was nice. You said, hi, it's me. I said, hey, it's so cool. You said, stop calling me. Hey, my name is Charlotte, you fool. You said, stop calling me. Hey, my name is Charlotte, you fool. Hey, where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I was so lonely? Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? Hey!
In the old days, this is where I used to get on the golf cart path and ride all the way out to North Point. Well, I got busted and I can't do that anymore. Oh well. All right, let's head back.
What a wonderful day, with the sun shining on my face. I take you down to my sandy shores, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day, where we watch the children play, building castles in the sand, down to Kailua Bay. We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember your first time I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day, sipping mango tea in the shade. I let the ocean touch my toes, down in Kailua Bay. Shadoop-dooby-dooby-wah, 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 shadoop. Shadoop doobie doobie wah. Shadoop doobie doobie wah. We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember your first time I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day. What more can a poor boy say? I take you down to my hometown, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii. I wanna put on my old hooker pants and head on down to the sea. Spend my days catching all them rays on the shores of Waikiki. And if by chance we should meet as you walk along the shore, I'll offer you a flower lay in the song forevermore. Meet me down by the ocean side where the waters are so blue. We got a date in paradise, a little island rendezvous. I wanna take you down to Honolulu Bay where the fishies go swimming by, where the minor bird sings his sweet melody as he sails through the tropical sky. I wanna see you in a hula skirt as you wiggle to and fro. You can shake them coconuts while I pound on my own bongo. I wanna love you in the moonlight as it sparkles in your eyes. I wanna kiss you in 1,000 ways, my sweet bird of paradise. Meet me down by the ocean side where the waters are so blue. We got a date in paradise, a little island rendezvous. Meet me down by the ocean side where the waters are so blue. We got a date in paradise, a little island rendezvous. Meet me down by the ocean side where the waters are so blue. We got a date in paradise, a little island rendezvous. Meet me down by the ocean side where the waters are so blue.